What's going on, YouTube? It's a lovely Saturday evening and I'm getting pretty hungry. So tonight I think we're gonna try to copycat the world famous In-N-Out cheeseburger. We're gonna be making a double animal style, which means it's gonna have grilled onions, sauce, and a few other things on there. Copying the In-N-Out cheeseburger. One of the biggest key ingredients is making the spread. So we're gonna start with that. Here we have around a half cup of mayo, a teaspoon and a half of white vinegar, 3 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of relish, and a teaspoon and a half of sugar. So we're gonna add all this stuff in here. Oh, that's good. So you're gonna wanna let this cool for around an hour. Really let those flavors bind. This is gonna make a nice, sweet, tangy sauce to go on top of this burger. Obviously, tweak it to however you think is necessary. I like mine, like I said, nice and sweet and tangy, but if you wanna add more ketchup, you can do that. Add more vinegar, or you can even add yellow mustard. I've seen some people add some grilled onions as well. So whatever you want to do, you can adjust. Next step in our burger journey, cutting up some onions. And just like that, onions are cut up. Next step, we are going to make up some of our burger patties. Now, I don't know if you can see this here, but we go for 85-15. Most people, when they make smash burgers, actually opt for more fat. They want 80-20, even 70-30. I actually opt for less. I find that the patty quality is a lot better and it cooks better. It's easier to flip, and you know, when you have all that fat cooking off in the smash burger process, it seems to fall apart. I think we're gonna go for around 2.5 ounce patties here. The regular In-N-Out burgers, I believe, are 4 ounce. Ooh. Whatever, I think we're gonna go 3. Let's go 3. 3 ounces it is. So that's a good looking ball there. Woo, money. You don't want to overly squish the patties either. Kind of want to leave it in the best form that it comes from, wherever you got it from. I got mine from Stop and Shop. Alrighty folks, just like that, our patties are measured, our onions are on the grill, and we are getting close to ready for some dinner. Look at these beautiful onions. These are gonna go great on these burgers. Onions are done. Got my lettuce, tomato ready to go. Think we're about ready to get some burgers going. So we're gonna crank up the heat on that grill and start pressing some patties. Please bear with me on this one, guys. The lighting obviously was terrible. I should have made sure I had better light, and I had a really bad angle with my camera. So in general, I'm going to be frying up these burgers, pressing them out with a piece of parchment paper and my burger press, and then adding a little yellow mustard and a light dusting of salt and pepper. Then the cheese, and putting the buns on there so it can get steamed up and nice and delicious. We are ready to build. Alrighty guys, so if you cannot see here, we have our beautiful In-N-Out style smash burger. As a guy from the East Coast, I could say, I don't know any places that are nearby doing really smash burgers to caliber of In-N-Out, having not ever had them before. That being said, this sauce is awesome. The sauce to me is what definitely tastes different from anything I've had in this area. So we got a nice Avery's soda over here. Check them out. Fantastic beverage to go with a nice burger. We're gonna get in on this nice animal style beast. Oh my god. So this has the grilled onions, 2 smashed patties, lettuce, tomato, cheese, and some grilled jalapenos. Let's give this thing a shot. Ooh, that is good. Okay. A lot of stuff going on. We got messy hands here. Luckily I got some paper towels. Up front, I definitely recommend put chilies on it. Whatever you use, doesn't really matter. I used jalapenos. I seared them on my flat top for a few minutes. A lot of really good heat in there. The sweetness and tanginess from that In-N-Out spread is so good on this patty. Very well seasoned, simple salt and pepper. You don't need much else. Juiciness from the tomato, little crisp bite from the lettuce. This is a delicious burger. I don't know, onions. Man, is that good. Guys, if you like burgers, give this recipe a try. Everyone really does brag about the In-N-Out animal style fries. I didn't do them animal style, so I'd need to put like the sauce, onions, cheese on top of them. I just baked some frozen French fries. Dipping it in the sauce though, it's delicious. Wow. I always got people asking me about how I make my burgers. Do it on a flat top, make smash burgers, Grill it with mustard. One of the simplest things. It makes it delicious. And that sauce is hitting, as the kids would say these days. So definitely give that a try. Oh my gosh. Crush that recipe. Never had an In-N-Out burger. I can tell you right now, it's a damn good sandwich. As always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I appreciate all the support that I've been getting from everybody. Try this recipe, by the way. It's so good.